walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey guys, so I am walking into Super Target. I am about to surprise my niece with her dream bike. Hopefully I'm not just moving this camera around. If I am moving around too much, I probably won't even insert this footage because I don't want it to be too shaky. These bikes are extremely too damn big. She definitely cannot ride those. She need like a little tricycle bike with the little 2 wheels. I asked her what she wanted me to get her for her birthday, and she picked out a few bikes, but I don't even see the bike that she wants. I know she watched Paw Patrol, but that's for boys. And she has to have the little tricycles on the side because she's little. She's not like a big girl, so she can't. Well, she's a big girl, but not like those bikes down there. So I'm going to be surprising my niece with her, let her call it her dream bike. So I'm trying to see which one I should get her. She loves Mini. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. She loves Mini. Like I said, it has the training wheels right here. It comes with the pedal seat and the Mini handlebar. I may get her this. I may just get her this Mini because it was between Mini and Paw Patrol. And then I just left Walmart and they didn't have any like this. They just had the bigger ones like that. So I probably need to FaceTime Kalia because I can't remember if this was one of the bikes that she chose. And I definitely want to get her what she wants. Yeah, but I know she loves Mini. She loves Mini, and I don't see any Paw Patrol. So I'm probably gonna get her this one. So, and she is between the ages of 3 and 5. She's kind of over Frozen. So I know she don't want that. And she's kind of over the Disney princess. So I know she don't want that. And no, they don't have any. She definitely don't want a wagon. And this one is way too small for her, I believe. I think this one is too small for her. Right here. Is this a, oh yeah, but it's a tricycle as well. And that's definitely, she has something like that. It's super, super small for her at this point. So, I think, I'm trying not to move so much. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It kind of sucks that they don't have the Paw Patrol for girls, but I think I'm just gonna go with this one. It is Disney Junior, the Mini 12 bicycle, and it do have the little training wheels. So I'm about to go ahead and just get this one. So I got the bike. I also got some more items, but I'm about to go check out. When I get home, I'm going to put her in the tub, put her clothes on. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it because you have to put this bike together. Right here it say easily to assemble. So I think I'm just going to let her see the box with the bike, or should I let them put it together? I'm not sure, you guys, but I'm definitely going to surprise her with her bike. So now I just made it home. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it together. So when she sees it, she's going to see the box, and then she'll just see the bicycle put together. And then I'm going to take her to the park and let her ride it and stuff like that. So I'm about to go ahead and put her clothes on, take her a bath and stuff like that, comb her hair. So when she sees her bike, she'll be ready and dressed to take on today on her little bicycle. Okay? Okay. So Kalia and LaQuasi is putting it together. Y'all want to say hey to the people? Hey. So they're getting it together while I go ahead and get her dressed. Okay, you guys, so I'm back here walking. I decided to bring her to this playground in the neighborhood. She's up there walking with Kalia. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let her play a little bit so she can have some fun real quickly. And then I'm going to go to my car. I left the bike in the trunk and I'm going to bring it back. I just thought it would make more sense for her because she can like ride the bike all over here and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. But you guys can see we are at a park. It looks just like this, but we're there. So I'm just gonna let her play for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back to the car and bring her the bike. And I'm gonna let Kalia like cover her eyes, and then surprise.
Hold on tight.
You swinging?
Make sure you hold. Go higher.
You wanna go higher? You better not fall.
Hold yourself tight.
That's all you wanna do is swing. You gonna play over there?
I'm gonna get on the swing. I ain't been on the swing in a long time.
It's her bike, you guys. I'm rushing because I just told Kalia to take her over by the pond to feed the ducks with bread. So while they're doing that, I'm gonna hide the bike like behind the trees, like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but this is her little bike. This is her little dream bike. Don't, you know, she's only 4, and this is just her little dream bike, you guys. So whatever my niece wants, she pretty much gets because I love her so much. So this is her little dream bike. So cute. So let's see her reaction to her bike. But you guys, I have to hurry up. Holding her bike, you guys, and I'm gonna take it like right over there. You guys, I'm so hot. Whew. It's hot out here. I'm gonna hide it behind the tree. I'm trying not to make a lot of noise because it has like this little thing on it. Vietnam is right there. I just told Kalia to bring her to me, and I have her bike kind of like hidden right here. So she ain't gonna be able to see it. So I'll come back when she get back over here. So I got something for you.
What is it?
You gotta go walk over there and see behind the trees. Go.
What? Thank you, Titi.
Huh?
It's pretty too.
It's pretty.
Oh, thank you. Has a Minnie Mouse case in it too. Wow.
It has what?
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, you can't go nowhere right there. Let Kalia put it over here so you can see. You like it?
Mhm. Thank you.
What color is it?
Pink.
Pink.
And
Who's on?
purple.
Pink and purple.
Who is it?
Polka dot.
Who in the front right here?
Minnie.
You love Minnie, huh?
Mhm.
Okay, let Kalia see. Are you gonna take it? You can take it. You want to take it? You a big girl? Are you a big girl?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. You real strong. Okay. Okay. Look at you. Even got the tag on the back that say Minnie right there. How cool is that?
Minnie Mouse.
That's cool. You love your bike?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at you go. Go, Mia, go. Oops, don't. Put your feet all the way on it. Look at her.
That was fun.
Huh?
That was fun.
You want to go back this way? You want to ride it down that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get back on the side.
Okay. Stay on the sidewalk. Don't go so fast. Be careful. Get back on the sidewalk. It's so pretty. Okay, you're such a big girl. You gonna go back up this hill or you wanna go back down? Okay, that's gonna be kind of a struggle, but if you got it, honey, you got it.
I want to take a picture of this bike too and send it to my mommy.
You wanna send it to my sister so you can see? So your mama can see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then I have a new bike. So Teeter don't. Because Teeter have his own new bike.
He do?
Mm-hmm. But it don't back up because mine's back up too. But
Okay.
Teeter's bike back up too.
Huh? What you say? What did you say?
She don't regret going up this hill. She already fell.
Hey, look at her. The struggle. If you, okay, you want to go back up this hill? Okay, you got it.
Barbie down here.
Huh?
I also say Barbie down here.
What'd it say?
Barbie down there. And this says Minnie Mouse down there. And this says Barbie.
No, that says busy little helper. That's what that say. Not Barbie, sweetheart. Okay, look at you go.
Just a little bit.
Well, you guys, she's riding her new bicycle. So this is the end of the video. I just wanted to film this so she can look back at it once I put this video up. Come on back this way. I'm trying to see you go. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video surprising my niece with her dream bike. So she's about to play at the park for probably till dark. I have no idea. But look at her. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.